Here's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. With a powerful engine and unbelievable towing capacity, it has a lot of pickup. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, turbo V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.